Hey Karen, how you doing? It's John, and welcome to John's YouTube channel of the week. If you could please introduce yourself and your YouTube channel name, please.
Well, my name's Karen, and I've got a YouTube channel called Heilan'coo in Wales.
I'll try and pronounce that. Heilan'coo in Wales, yeah? Is that close? Is that close enough? Heilan'coo. We'll waste our time otherwise. Anyway,
you can say Heilan'coo in Wales if you want.
I apologise for people watching this for the first time. For the first day, I was calling you Helen, so but you took it gracefully. We changed it anyway. So this is the first time this has been shown on the show. It's pre-recorded, so for those first time watching, we normally have a 1-minute quick fire questions, and then we have 3 minutes of other questions relating to the YouTube and the channel and so on. So if I start with the first quick fire questions. So first and foremost, whereabouts do you live?
I live in South Wales, but I'm
fantastic. And how long have you been flying drones for?
A year.
Brilliant. What and how many drones do you have?
I have one, but I have access to another one.
Okay, so if I'm going to say my next question, what's your favourite drone and what is it? Which drone is it?
DJI Mini 4 Pro.
That was my first one. What a workhorse. Absolute phenomenal.
It's been
next question for you. Best place you've ever flown?
Bali, hands down.
Sounds lovely there. Is that is Wales, isn't it?
In Indonesia, Bali.
Bali.
Not Bala, Bali.
Sorry, I misheard you. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. And if you had one wish only to fly anywhere with any restrictions, where would you be?
The absolute north of Scotland, maybe in the Hebrides Islands, somewhere up there.
Absolutely phenomenal up there. The mountains, the water.
Yeah, mountains, you've got water, you've got everything. Ruins.
You've got the right weather, haven't you, as well, I guess.
Yeah, well, yeah.
So tell me about your journey into drones and how you got started and when you got your YouTube channel up.
Yeah, so I was just up at a viewpoint, which I tend to go to when I go home, called Scott's View, because I feel like I'm home when I'm there. And my friend and myself, saw this bloke standing, looking conspicuous. What's he doing? And he had a drone, and when he brought it down, he gave us his card and said, "Go and have a look at some of my YouTube channel. Some of his videos."
No, that's good news. That's brilliant. And that, I mean, for me, it was the same sort of thing. But no, that's really good. What type of content do you focus on, and how do you sort of find your next video and spot to go to?
Yeah, so I really like landscapes. I like scenery more than anything, like castles. I like being over water. Strangely enough, a lot of people don't like flying over water, but I quite like it.
I've seen that.
I quite like being around the coast and, castles, churches, anything that's got something that's a little bit interesting that you can sort of go in a few different angles as you fly in,
So where do you find your next location? Do you go on the website and go to awesome locations, or do you go to Google Maps? Or
I often go on to awesome locations. However, I've got a caravan in Pembrokeshire, and they have a really good book called Coast to Coast. That's sort of a free leaflet which you can pick up, and it's got loads of places there where you can see places of interest just to visit anyway. And then quite often there's a ruin, or there's a castle, or there's something nice to see.
And my final question before our 4 minutes is up: any memorable experience or mishaps?
Well, I'm not going to divulge the mishaps. However, what happened to me, which was really nice, I was flying at the Temple of the Muses, which is near Melrose, quite near Drybraby, and I just had the drone in the air, and I was just like, getting myself ready, and this family came up from London, and they were like, "Wow, what's a drone? Oh my goodness, what's going on?" And so that was a little bit distracting, but then I said to them, "Would you like me to take your photos?" And they were like, "Oh my gosh, yes, we never get a family photo." So I had their email address from them and sent them some lovely family photos taken with the drone, and I think they did say they were going to follow my channel. So
fantastic. No, brilliant. Well, you've answered all my questions. Thank you so much. What we're going to do now is we're now going to watch your video, and I appreciate you taking the time to join us, and thank you so much.
No, thank you.